Pew juicer to stage masticating juicer, grinder and hydraulic press. For 2 cold press juice, for green juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, and immune booster shots held in your handset. Pew juicer incorporates state-of-the-art engineering with ease of use functionality in the first stage of juicing. The feed tube allows produce to flow through smoothly and grinds it easily. Then the stainless steel hydraulic cold press ejects 5400 lbs of force for the silkiest juice there is. It is enclosed in broad stainless steel to maintain its gorgeous minimalist design and fully seals the machine interior. It also features a twist and lock mount for easy assembly without the need for tools. Delivers more juice per pound of produce. The shape pusher is designed to aid the fruits and vegetables to glide through the feed tube and keeps the pulp cold for maximum enzyme activity. The large press chamber fits 3 pure press packs and yields 1 liter of juice. The machine offers the highest juice yield and nothing goes to waste. You can make the smoothest, silkiest orange juice, beetroot juice, apple juice, green juice, and immune booster shots. It could also be used for making baby food, grinding coffee beans, mixing frozen treats, pesto nut butter, and more. You don't have to prepare every time you need a glass of healthy juice. Just store it in a vacuum tumbler and the juice stays fresh for up to 72 hours since it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. You can have your daily nutritional dose of juice in no time. Quality assured.